Good morning. Oh, oh, it's a cutie pie there. Happy Friday. Everybody enjoying the breakfast here. Oh, oops. Okay. I just want to do a close up here instead of do a live stream for this Friday. Let's get to capture the best action of this guy here. It's quite active this morning. Everybody enjoying the Friday and weekend coming up. Okay. And we have a guest here. I will share with you. Who is this? Who is this? Oh, it's handsome showing up alone this morning. I guess his partner, the queen, still snoozing, or she might be nesting somewhere. Oh, it's adorable. Look at you. Yes, I do. Look at this. Oh God, look at the print on his back. This is gorgeous. This guy. I just love it. I'll be sharing a few of this kind of cutie pie there. I thought that's still lovely. Look at the hair. All right. Okay. Look at the face. I think the hair growing back more fully now. It look like it. This guy too. Here. They look quite healthy in a way. I think they are wow and free. Here he is. Here he is. Yeah. For you, I think gonna be a jump up here. Someone is in the bird feeder there, I think. Are you gonna jump? Are you gonna jump? We'll see. There might be a jump. Somebody in there, I think. Not jump. Let's go back to this handsome again. I love the way he's so cautious. The way he look like it's very calm and confident. And now you're gonna jump. Yes. I'm so proud of my tiny pawn. I mean, I feel privileged that they chose to be here. But this morning he by himself, but his queen gonna come later. Sometimes they take turn, but most of the time they together. Yes. You just, you're welcome anytime. It make me my heart full of joy to see them here. All right, got a close up of this handsome here. Oops. Oh, otherwise go. Yes, yeah. Back to this guy here. Yes. I think this is the time for the midnight squirrel here today. I'm pretty sure are the same gang here. There's someone joining us here. Hey buddy. Slowly checking in with our handsome prince here. Hello. You done swimming? I think he's also enjoying the sunflower seed as well. I just love the way he's so calm and confident. I think he's being cautious. That is it. What is it? Right? Cute. Oh. Here's some chickadee. I think the chickadee bird. Tiny bird. Oh, as pigeons, they always come together. Someone moving in. I think he's hungry. A ducky. It's cute. I hope they give him some room to enjoy. Hey, He's pretty confident, so he's gonna go up and find his spot for sure. Yeah, go ahead, sir. I'm sure they'll give you some space to enjoy the breakfast. He's just so cool, calm, and confident, and being cautious. That's the best way, right? Oop. Oh. Let's check it out, this munchkin. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. There you go. Uh-oh. This seems to be more fun now. See, I can capture this guy. Oh, hi. Oh, there's the gray one. Just try the way to go into the feeding area, but have to pass through the duck first. No, you can go around, sir. You, it's cute. Okay. Okay. Coming here. Okay. I think that's called red squirrel, red chipmunk. It's just kind of reddish color there. Oh, you won't believe what's this? The cardinal. Yeah, you know. Just try to. Oh, she got a good spot there. I think she's nesting under of the one of my arbor. Oh god, she's just cute. Oh my goodness. Yep. Someone hanging on a branch here, trying to get a great spot to jump right in. Okay, up. Look at it. Oh. There's a jump. I got it. Oh my gosh. It's cute. This is on the branch of the birch tree here. Beautiful morning. It's a Friday morning here. Yeah. A duck still here. He moving up. Okay. I hope the midnight one gonna give him some. Oh yeah, I think it seems like the midnight one leaving some spot for other to enjoy the breakfast here. Okay, you got it, sir. Okay. Okay, yeah. Here you go. Communications. I hope they have morning talk as well during their breakfast. Oh my god. Yeah, the gray one just joined there. This is cute. Oh, I just love that kind of more like innocent with cute eyes they have there. Look at this. Oh. Okay, contention there. Okay. Check it out, the ducky. Oh, I think he just decided standing there. Oh, so cool, such a cool duck. Oh. Let's check out with this munchkin here. Oh, somebody up there. Oh, pop. It fell. This is a kind of typical scene in the morning. Oh, so much fun. I just enjoy every minute of this. Yeah. Okay. I think there's some activity running. I guess the ducky just decides greeting everyone coming to the feed this morning, eh? Look at him. Okay. Alright, I just want to share this lovely, peaceful moments on this Friday in the video instead. I think I can get the close up as well. Okay. Alright. That's, oh, she drank, look at that. Oh, this is the salt of water. I just changed water like a few days ago for them. I'm gonna put some plant on a pond here. Every day enjoying drinking. This make my heart full of joy. Oh, she's gone. Okay. As he's sitting there, greeting everybody come into this feed this morning, Friday. Bye bye, kiddo. Alright, so I'm gonna end it for today. I will sharing with you guys later. I try to do some live stream and when it's nice weather and it's a bit cool today, so I stay indoor here and just let this guy enjoy their meal, feed peacefully, breakfast. And here I see that he's right there, the gray one. Oh, okay. Oh, two of them. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Okay, I want to capture this guy here one more, and I can let them be enjoy the breakfast here. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Happy Friday, everyone. Okay, I just put out the hammock another day, but it's still too cold to be out. So, alright. Happy Friday from this cutie pie here. Okay, bye bye. Enjoy the breakfast. Okay. Oh, I just want to share this the moment. Look at that, drinking the water from the pond. Oh, this pond is just upgrade. Everybody comes and drink the water and good use, and people found it. I mean, most of this cutie pie found is very helpful for them. That's a wild animal. Okay, I think I have to